Hello everyone. So inside Dollar Tree here, and they have a few Valentine's Day things. These gorgeous felt stickers, which I already purchased. And then the hearts here in wood, which if you're doing DIYs or like a garland or something of that sort, you would be able to string those on some twine or a piece of yarn. They have a ton of these metal tin heart, and they also have the little liner things. Anyways, a few items here you might like to see. Some of these things you can transform, like you can pop off some of the words and then use the backing as, you know, a different type of DIY. The garden things are out, but there are some treats I want to share with you. Oh, I know some of you were asking about the candy dishes, so they are readily available again. So this store is also starting to get all of their spring floral, and they have a nice variety here. These are LED light ups, and they're selling really fast, so any store I see them, then the next time I'm in, they're gone. They light up, they're really cute. The heart bowls are hiding in the back here. If you haven't seen them, they look like this. Just the plastic. Really pretty. These are selling fast. Last time I was in, really well stocked, and now just a couple of My Love and Be Mine. You can paint the heart or the entire piece if you don't like it. Has anyone bought these, or have you used them and transformed them, made something different out of them? Someone was asking me to share the personalized, like these fancier type Valentine's Day cards. I apologize, I can't remember who asked, but here they are. These are a few of them. The cleaning aisle. You can see the big, giant, clear plastic containers I know some of you are using in your craft room. Nothing really stands out to me as being new. These, I think, were here last time. The Vaseline, I think we spotted last time as well. I'll take a look at the nails and show you some of the sets that are here. I used to see the hydrogen peroxide and the rubbing alcohol back in stock, because for a while there was none on the shelf for a very long time. I don't know if that happened at your stores. The pill organizers have gone up in price. Some of them. They have brands like Curate, I think it's called. So Rebel, this is about a $10 item at Walmart if you look it up. I don't know if Walmart is still carrying it, and maybe that's why it's here, but it definitely was selling for $9.99. They have some salon selectives here. I'll check to see if they sometimes have the really large bottles, but I don't see them here today. Oh, this is another great brand as well. So some of you know I absolutely love their little plastic organizers or acrylic organizers. These you can glue and stack them. I always recommend doing it upside down, so then the drawers, they pull out a lot easier. And I love these ones as well because they have the 3 compartments and a lid, which is amazing for vertical storage. If you've seen some of my Dollar Tree hauls or my organization of my craft room, you'll see that I do use storage containers like these. I do notice now that this lid is not perfectly sitting on this one, so I am having the same trouble with the one at home, but these ones work really well and they're very great storage. This little end cap always has little surprises for me, so I try not to forget to come and look at it. But today, nothing really major. Well, I wanted to share these with you. I know that some of you absolutely love these containers. They're glass, and they have a nice metal top. Some of them are really large. Today they don't have the largest one, but you can see there's like medium and smaller ones. I really love the options that Dollar Tree has right now in organization bins, and especially the colors. However, I have to share with you that they have these that are refrigerator or pantry type organizers, and I'm all about the whites. I don't know why I gravitate towards white. I just feel like sometimes I add a little color, like really light color, but I typically stick to the whites and clears. Look at these. They have little rubber stoppers, so they're perfect for drawer organization. Really great inside and underneath. Just a quick overview of some of they don't really have any new patterns yet, but in a couple weeks I'm sure we'll see the spring line. These baskets are fairly new. They have like a blush pink. Oh, here we go. And the mint color. Yeah, and then that one there. Oh, and they have some of the buffalo plaid. I guess that's a late arrival from Christmas. Or it just didn't sell. And there's some like accessories and, organization and linen and pegs. And these are new, I think. So if you're into transformations and DIYs, something like this would come in handy because you could easily paint it and then stencil or do your own type of vinyl writing and stuff like that if you don't like what's written on those. I couldn't leave. Without coming to the craft aisle. These are all new and they're going to sell really fast because they're like the handmade stickers. Lots. These are cute, aren't they? I know some of you love stickers as much as I do. The dots are great. I've been very curious as to which bags are out and tissue paper because around this time of year they usually have like new line. So I'm coming over to look. I think we've seen this. This one was last year. Oh, look. This is new. I don't think the one I have. Yeah, I'll have to take a look, but see? I think this is a new package. So they are coming out with some new stuff. And I like using tissue paper for crafts, but also decoupaging, transforming boxes with a nice new pattern. I wonder what we could make with these doilies. They're a canvas-based doilies, so a great little addition to crafting with paper, or to maybe a Valentine's Day theme with these little hearts. That would be cute, or even something like this. I'm gonna have to give it some thought. I know some of you have been looking for the scrap, like these little chalk tiles. So these ones don't have any letters on them. And these are just the actual cutout letters. And then they have a ton of roses if you're doing DIYs for Valentine's. I look at these gift bags, and because it's, got this holographic feel to to them. You can use them as die cut paper. And they also have the felt garland, so if you need different colors. There's just always so much material you can look at as paper material and save yourself a lot of money. Because if you go somewhere else for holographic paper, I guarantee you're going to pay a lot more for that. I love these. I always look at them and I'm like, what should I do with them? Here in the toiletry aisle, I spotted these and I just think they're so cute. I just don't know if they'd get in the way. Do you know what I mean? But they're a lot of fun. I just like the little wings on them. These are amazing, the makeup vanishing towels. 2 different type of Dove hand cream. And there's still the family size craft dinner boxes, which is a way better value than the grocery store. I'm getting Twizzlers today. I don't need Twizzlers, but I'm getting them. Look at these cute organization bins for your craft room or your house. These are like a faux leather. I'm wondering if you could use them in the Cricut, like if you needed material to cut up and play with. There's black, pink, and a cream color. Okay, so I'm clearly in the mood for treats and chocolate and stuff. So I got Twizzlers and I'm gonna get something else. I know I am because I just have a sweet tooth today. What would you pick? What would you grab while you're at Dollar Tree? M&Ms? Anyone like Bounty? Oh, I'm definitely getting this. So dairy milk, pretzel, peanut butter. Yep, this is the one. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree, just leaving you with a couple clips from my craft room on how I organize using Dollar Tree material and some DIYs that are on display. If you'd like to check out how to make the tray and transform some things from Dollar Tree, I'll leave the link in the description down below and feel free to check it out. And until next time, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. We're together. Tell me I'm not dreaming. Wait for me. Just take a look around you. Can't you see?